Hey, hey, hey. Is everyone here? Okay, people are joining. Okay, okay, okay. Let me just mute my notifications. We'll start in like 2 minutes, okay? We will start in 1 minute, guys. I think the notification will go out now. It usually takes 5 minutes for the notification to go out. Now the notification have gone out to everyone. We'll start in a minute. Nice, nice. Yeah, dude, the notifications usually go out at 4:35. It's usually a 5 minute thing. We reduce the notifications now from 100 to I think back to 50, so everyone gets a notification. So yeah, it's back to old ways where everyone gets notified. So calm down, relax. Anyway, I wait. I know this nonsense happens, so I always wait for 5 minutes. Let people come in, and once they come in, only then I start. So I'll keep getting complaints, and that too for the entire session they keep spamming, saying I didn't get notification. Instead of listening to the entire conversation, they'll be more focused on why I didn't get notification. तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम मैंने देखा है. Not my first rodeo or my first journey, so it's fine. I understand it. Understand you guys very, very, very well. Okay, 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 okay. Uh, is everyone here? I get scared, dude. Every time the number rises, I think, okay, more people are gonna come. रुकना पड़ेगा. What a boring day, guys. Okay, let's start. So today I was really missing traveling, right? So I wore clothes that would be usually worn in Goa, and I'm sitting with this nice tropical shirt and shorts, thinking I'm in Goa, but I'm in Bangalore, sadly. So can't go out to Goa, so I'm just feeling that I'm in Goa today. So today I'm working out of Goa, guys. So for all the people who don't know or are here for the first time, in Goa, in Kalangut area, that's where I'm working. Very nice. Because Baga Beach is too commercial right now for comfort. Okay, awesome. 320 people. See, if I started when you guys told me to start at 280, see what would have happened. Bus, full session, they'll be like, oh my god, why you started? How can you start, Shashank? We didn't hear anything. That's why I wait. I'm smart. Goa party, yes. Karo party karo. Now. Now I think we can now I think we can start. Why are you calling the police, bro? That too, just because I'm going to Goa? Is it a crime to go to Goa? Is it? गैम्बलिंग ही लीगल है गोवा में ये क्या क्राइम है ओके Avalon is located in Bangalore or Mumbai. It is located in this village called Talegaon, if you have heard of it. That's where we are from. In the meantime, we herd cows and we sell mangoes to people to actually make revenue to keep up the servers of this system. Because obviously, it's very difficult to. Not Telugu Gao, it is Talegaon, right? So we grow mangoes to and also breed some chickens and cows so that we can get money. And every time we make money from that, we actually pay for our server cost online. So it is basically offline to online business, where we sell offline like farmers, but pay online for the server cost. So that is what we do. Okay, chalo. Enough of bakchodi. Let us begin. Okay, what happened today? Market का क्या हुआ? Did you guys see what happened to the market today? Of course, you guys have seen. Whenever it is green, सबका चेहरे पे now by now one smile would have come. Yes or no? Are all of you all slightly smiling? Whether you guys made money or not doesn't matter. But right, if someone actually believed that cock and bull story, like literally, there's a cock and a bull there, so we ensure that we uplift our servers like this. Yeah. Deepak Fertilizer, Upper Circuit, yes. All agricultural stocks are doing well. Bajaj Finance always will do well, but very, very high market cap company will do well. But it was a good day, right? Because the market went up by 300 and etc. points, 358 points, right? Not more, 358 points mein upar gaya market. And that is considered good. It is not bad, especially in the market that we are staying in right now. It is considered a good sign, right? Okay, what else? Nifty Bank also went up by 330, so that is also another good sign. Now, if you look at, did you guys hear this news on Tata? Tata buying 1 mg? Yes, Tata bought 1 mg. Hey, wait, first, before we begin anything, right? How was the Crypto Bytes video I put up on Instagram? Was it good? Was it something that you guys would like and would like me to continue doing something like this? It was shot on my farm for all the people who believed me. गांव में शूटिंग किया था with natural light. But you guys liked it? All okay? Chat is lagging. Update it to the latest version. Chat shouldn't lag anymore. That update got pushed long back. Background में cow भी था. Exactly. There was a cow which was holding 1 Bitcoin. So that was the background. Either way, but I hope the video is good so you guys like could learn, because what I'm doing is, apart from doing the YouTube video on how the crypto industry works, which is mainly an understanding of how the crypto industry works, which is basics like exchanges, wallets, coins, etc. What I'm planning to do is, on Crypto Bytes, I will talk about unconventional stuff. That is something that is not generic knowledge, but you guys should know. Like, say, what are the risks of an ICO? Is Bitcoin truly decentralized? Right? Different things from that perspective. So that is more about understanding the different avenues in the crypto market, all the exchange scams that happened in the past, right? I don't know whether you guys have seen Mount Gox or heard of Mount Gox, but I'm going to talk about all of that, right? So YouTube is going to be more basics, and Instagram I'm going to teach you little different stuff. So in that 3 months time that I'm going to teach you guys almost everything, we will split it according to this way, where I can teach you maximum, I can give you maximum exposure on everything. Good idea, right? Oh, Mount Gox, damn, yeah, exactly. I know so many of you all don't even know Mount Gox, right? It was such a big scam. It was the first official major crypto scam. It was crazy. But yeah, I think now you guys know it. Or you guys will Google it, check it out. Yeah, so Tata just bought majority stake in this company called 1MG. Okay, have you heard? Do you know what 1MG is? 1MG is the medical company, not medical company, but 1MG is that pharmacy type company, right? Like you see this NetEasy and Pharmeasy and stuff like that. So basically, now what is happening is Reliance has also entered that space of pharmacy. Yes, you guys remember Reliance has entered the space of pharmacy. Now the same thing, what is happening is these people also are entering, right? Tata is also entering. Now, why is this happening? Tell me why this is happening. Why is everyone entering this space? Can someone tell me why everyone's entering this space? Super app, 100%. Super app, though, it is coming only, right? Now, what is happening is all the big conglomerates. Okay, now what do I mean by conglomerates? All the big companies in the market, right? They are planning to build something known as a super app. Okay, now for all the people who don't know what a super app is, it is an app where you can do everything, right? It's a super app. कि अगर मेरे को ग्रोसरीज चाहिए तो cool, I will go to the super app and order it. If I want to order something to eat, okay, I go to the super app and order it. Just one app for everything, your UPI payments, your bills, and obviously when you talk about all of that, something that is very crucial, a crucial element is medicines, right? Medicines bhi aayega. Now if you look at, so Tata is going towards building this amazing super app structure, right? And you guys have heard of the super app structure. It's not like it's a new concept. We have heard about it. Geo wants to build a super app. Amazon wants, not Amazon. Tata's been telling I want to build a super app from God knows how many months, and they're buying all companies. They're acquiring, buying all of this just to become a super app, right? Nothing else. All of this just to become a super app. Now, if you look at whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, one sec. One sec. Yeah. So if you see whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, it is definitely a good thing, right? It is definitely from a very good angle because super app is something that should be there, and it is just makes it very simple for everyone, right? But also companies are just acquiring left, right, and center. And with Reliance also trying to get a big basket, which will take almost everything away from, I mean, which will basically has a massive infrastructure for everything. That's also considered good. There's also something that is good. So again, it's a lot of things that is going to happen, but Tata just took a majority stake. Now, apparently, Adani, you guys know Adani, right? Obviously, everyone knows Adani because you guys would have seen his stock prices shooting up so much. Uh, Adani's net worth this year has gone up by $43 billion. Right? Modi's friend, yes, very close friend. Adani's net worth has gone up by $43 billion. Right? And he's taken, apparently, there's an article today that talks about this, that Adani's net worth has gone up by $43 billion, but he's also taken up massive amount of loan to facilitate this $43 billion growth, and because of that, it can be a big issue coming in the future, right? You know they're getting deals after deals after deal, right? Constantly they're cracking one deal after one deal. So apparently it's going to be a big issue because the debt is also racking up quite insanely, right? Awesome. Next, what else is there? Let's look at it. Bharat Pay. Now, have you guys been hearing about this company called Bharat Pay quite literally everywhere? Right? It's coming. They recently, we spoke about it yesterday, where they became ICC's. They just sponsored ICC. That they became. We spoke about this yesterday, that an Indian company became the head of ICC. Number one. Apart from that, if you look at today, what happened? They bought this company called Payback. Right? It's an old thing that was there in India for a very long time. They bought this company called Payback India, right? So they're constantly acquiring, picking up companies, picking up stake in different companies constantly, right? Which is again quite weird. And I said, dude, who is this company? From where are they coming from, right? From nowhere. They just came from nowhere, and now they're doing really well. uh, but apparently they're a company that has just got a lot, they've got a lot of funding in the last year. They got around 70, yeah, their loyalty points, they've got around 75 million in their last round of funding, which is again insane. I think by those Tiger, not Tiger Global, I think someone funded them by 75 million, and that is why they're doing a lot of acquisition strategies. And again, it's a very similar structure as to loyalty points and pay more and spend more. If you pay more, you'll ensure you get a lot of money, blah, 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 blah. Blah. Same thing, right? But apparently, it is the first ever acquisition by the digital app company. It is the first acquisition by this company, right? Just putting it in perspective over there. Yeah, awesome. One sec. Just checking what else. So I've been noticing, I was just going through Value Picker today in the morning, concentrating some of my stocks and concentrating some of my portfolios. And I saw that a lot of people were talking about the music industry coming back into focus. By music industry, I'm talking about Saregama. Have you heard of this music record label called Saregama? So apparently Saregama is doing a lot of news in the space because of this thing called Caravan, right? They have something known as Caravan, and that's doing really well, and it's in the news almost every other time. So it's insane. That is something that you need to look at. There's a company called Kale Logistics. Kale Logistics company raises 5 million in Series A funding by Inflexor Ventures. Dude, there's so many funds right now, man. Like, I've not heard of this Inflexor Ventures, but I'm pretty sure, if they can give $5 million check, that means they're pretty big. But there's so many companies coming, just constantly raising funds. It's unbelievably insane, right? Awesome. Videocon is back. No, Avalon didn't raise Series A. We raised pre-Series A. Series A will be fun, but we didn't. Sadly, we have not reached that point to raise a Series A. Soon, soon, if things go well and everything works out, we should be able to raise a Series A also quite fast. Then Series B, then Series C, then see the IPO, right? One, two, three, four, five, and then IPO directly. IPO चले जाएंगे. How's that sound? Good, right? It'll be fun to actually get an IPO company, dude. Quite literally lot of fun in running an IPO. It's not a lot of fun. There's also a lot of effort to run an IPO company. It's not that easy. But I think I'll enjoy if it's an IPO company, because I know exactly what stats to build towards. Like I know what is important, what is not important. So if it's an IPO company, I'll ensure that if I run an IPO company, it'll definitely do well because I know exactly what. Yeah, I'll come on CNBC and but I think I will do something different if I ever run a company that is a stock market company, right? IPO company. I will not come on CNBC with one shirt, pants, suit, and tie. Literally everyone I see there looks like they've come out of the same factory, right? There's no difference in the factory. Everyone's manufacturing the same. All stock listed people are coming out with suit, tie, pant, right? And yeah, I'll come in a hoodie, right? I'll come with a hoodie and shorts, and I'll be like, yeah, I'm in Goa right now, okay? And if they'll be like, what a weird promoter, this promoter is so weird, I'll be like, look at the stats, don't talk to me too much. Is the stock price going up? Yes. क्या फर्क पड़ता है आपको? Enjoy, sit, have pina colada, and enjoy, have fun, enjoy the money that's coming your way. So that is something that I would usually be talking about. Yeah, so if you ever in the future, right, when you guys are old and you're little Buddhas and you're seeing the news and you'll suddenly see someone coming in shorts, and if his name is Shashank, you should not be surprised, right? You'll be like, oh, this guy told us he'll do something weird like this, and he actually did this. Even CNBC Awaz will be like, कौन है ये नमूना आदमी इधर आ गया, right? So it won't happen now. It'll happen when I am 40 at least minimum. So when I'm 40, you guys, God knows what you'll be when I'm 40. So we'll see what happens at that point. That'll be so cool though to see something like that. Insane. It'll be fun. Okay, coming back to the point. Okay, I think that's it. That's there in the main thing. Some other fund, some other companies raising. Oh, Kangana Ranaut yet to pay half of last year's income tax due to no work. It seems. My God, how is that making the news? Kangana, oh, oh, it's on Live Mint. Kangana Ranaut doesn't have money and she's paying tax. It seems, guys. Come on, man. Like, are we serious about this? Like, is this news? Can we categorize this as news, or is this just media being like कंगना का नाम use करो अभी trend कर रही है चलो चलो जल्दी जल्दी before someone from some other political party comes and talks about her, we should put it in the news that she's not made money at all. I like the fact, sometimes I keep thinking about this, okay? Like, this is something that I keep thinking about. Do you know how Kangana started her entire journey? Do you remember how Kangana started her entire journey? Do you guys remember how Kangana started her journey? None of you all know how Kangana started her journey. No, I'm talking about the music when she came into movies, man, in the early days. Not against her family, bro. It's not some social drama. Mahesh Bhatt, Gangster, Imran Hashmi ke saath, right? Fashion. Yeah, she did all that, and then suddenly, this is why I love India, right? Because here you can do anything and rebrand yourself into a very beautiful person, right? After doing all that, suddenly now it's like wearing saris and white color clothes and then talking about liberalization and all. Obviously, I have nothing against her work and stuff like that. That was her work and she was doing that. But I'm just saying it's very nice. Like, I sometimes see some people's journey of some people who are bad from a branding perspective. They'll be bad and then suddenly they'll become the next best thing, right? That's why I'm not surprised if tomorrow Vijay Malia comes back. No, I think he'll brand himself and become a hero again, right? He'll again become, yeah, it's like WWE. How we see WWE right now, it's exactly like that. Suddenly John Cena's good and everyone else is bad, and then suddenly everyone's bad and then John Cena's become worse. Like how Triple H, at one point Triple H was like, oh my god, and then suddenly Triple H became bad. For all the people who don't know what WWE is, I'm sorry. If you are in Gen Z, then you might have missed out on cable. I think one of the best things on cable TV, and almost one of the only things on cable TV when you come back from school, right? It was either that, Pokemon, and Beyblade. That's it. There's only three options. Choose from one of these options. That's all, right? And if you didn't play WWE cards when you were young, really sorry for missing out. You guys have missed out on a lot. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a few people on stage as usual. Take a few people on stage, ask them what any questions that they might have. If you want to come on stage and ask questions, there's no such thing as a bad question. So please don't think about it from that perspective. Yesterday, some people were making fun of other people. It's fine. We've all been there, and I keep saying this. There's no such thing as bad question. Chalo, ask to speak. Karo. Today I'm only gonna take five people. Chalo, only five people. Bruce Wayne is in the chat. Some people take what do you call that, fake accounts quite too seriously, I feel. I don't know why do you guys do that. 1 second. Okay guys, I also have a rule that I only take people on stage who have a profile photo. If you don't have a profile photo, then I usually don't take you on the stage. So please have photo. It can be a meme, it can be whatever, but it should be an image, right? Without image, I feel scared. I don't know who I'm talking to. I need a face. Okay, Nikhil. Click on ask to speak if you guys want to come on stage. Some good old people who keep coming all the time. Guys, have people come on stage? I'm on the speaker screen. Oh, okay. Three people have come. Chalo, we'll take one more. I want to have diversity today. Is there any girl who wants to come on stage and talk? Because I always get a lot of guys only coming in. See, Davneet, you give a lot of, what do you call that? Diversification for my community.
Thank you.
To see, because girls, I don't know why they're not, I don't know whether they're interested or not in finance. I feel that there's something wrong. Is it like that? Is finance weird for girls sometimes? I don't know. I
It's
should do
not
one
for
market
me.
research on this. Okay, I need two more people on stage. Any girls who are there in the chat with the DP? Okay, lot of girls coming suddenly. Very good. बुलाना पड़ता है. Be sweet and be like, please come on stage. Guys, don't put girls' name just to come on stage. Thank you. Did anyone come on stage? Davneet, you have to be my eyes in the. Okay, I'm gonna break my rule. Okay, fine. Nobody's coming on stage. I'm inviting people, but they're not, so it's okay. Continue, guys. Okay, ask your questions. Go ahead.
Hi,
Shubham,
Shashank.
Rishabh, and Davneet.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yeah, actually, I just want to know. I was doing my research on how to pick stocks. So, like you said, I went to Screener, I put in all the filters.
Hmm.
After putting in all the filters, I got a few companies and I had around 40. I found one company called BEPL.
What
So,
PL?
after that, I looked at BEPL. It's into petrochemicals and all that.
Okay.
After doing all my research, I saw that it's going really well. Actually, it's like a turnaround story because it was at this level before also, and then it went down for a quite a long time, and then it's again rising again. But then when I went to Value Picker to research about it, there's not many good things about it. Everything, the PE is increasing, the EPS is increasing, the revenue, the profit, everything seems to be increasing.
Okay.
But then the people's perception on that doesn't look good. I
Why?
checked it on Value Picker. There's not much, but whatever there is not so good. So I
Okay.
just want to know what I'm
No,
missing
I want
out
to
on.
understand what is the thing that is on value picker that is not good. What are they saying that is not good is what I'm trying to understand. What are they saying?
No, there's not much actually. But whatever there is isn't that good.
I don't know, Baba. I'm saying whatever is not. What is the vibe?
Hmm.
Like, what are they saying? What is not good? Is there some scam by founders or?
No, not a scam, not a scam, not a scam.
So I'm trying to understand what is the negative thing that you're talking about. What is not good?
It's
There are
not
so many.
negative, but there's nothing special which I see about it because when I put in all the filters, this thing came number one on the list, and
Okay.
everything seems to be going good. But if it's so good, but still there's nothing about it in the website on the value picker this thing forum, is there something that I'm missing out on?
Then I think it's undiscovered. So usually what happens is there's a lot of good stocks that are undiscovered. You know what undiscovered means? That is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
seen the light of day yet. It's not become a big stock yet. So it's still undiscovered right now.
Hmm.
Right? For it to become discovered, it'll take time. Like when I bought Subex, it was undiscovered. Nobody even knew about that company. Once
Right.
everyone started coming to know about the company, everyone's like, oh my God, what a great company. News articles started covering it and all that shit happened, right? But until that, nobody knew
Okay.
about it. I took a bet. So if you really feel that the
Hmm.
fundamentals of the company are good and everything's doing well, and I don't see any reason why it's supposed to be bad, then you should not worry too much
Hmm.
and take a call, take a bet. It's a bet, right? You can only do so
Yeah,
much.
right. I've been tracking it for quite like about a month now. It seems to be going well.
See, what you should
It
also
also hit
do,
upper circuit once.
what you should also do is there is this
Okay.
community on the app. Okay, this is called Scenes app, right? And my community is here. So what you
Yeah.
should do is you should
Hmm.
ask people here, can you guys help me?
Yeah, I found quite a few people, not quite a few people, one or two people asking about this earlier also on the forum, on this chat. But there's not much which I could get. Anyways, I'll take the bet. Let me see.
Okay, let's do
Do you
one
know
thing. Let's
about
do
this
one
company,
thing.
anyways?
I haven't heard, I've not done my research, but we can do one research. That's not a problem, right?
Okay,
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 we'll do
okay.
one thing, right? Guys, can we
Yeah,
help? What's your name again?
Rishabh.
Okay, can we guys help Rishabh? All the people who have learned everything from my videos, can we help Rishabh? Tomorrow when we do the session, आज Friday ki Thursday?
Thursday.
I keep losing. Thursday, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow when we do the session, can somebody, I want to take somebody on stage who will give me a quick introduction about this company and what they think about this company, like a research. Can we do something like that tomorrow? Okay, can you please write out the company's name in the chat, Rishabh? Rishabh. Hey, Rishabh.
Done that. Yeah, I did that.
Okay. So what we can do, guys, if you really want to learn, right? And I love when people are learning, I really like it. If you really want to know, and if you really want to know, we can always take one stock, and there can be someone. Bansali is actually a good company. Sorry, it is. I've heard of it. Right, it is a good stock. So sorry, what was I saying,
Hmm.
guys? Yeah. So if you guys really want to learn, right, what we can do is we can always choose one stock and we'll have one person to discuss about that particular stock every week, not every day because that would just eat up all the time. We'll do a stock of the week. Okay, and I want someone from the community to come and tell us about the particular stock. Got it? Does that sound good? Does that sound good? Yeah, we'll do stock of the week. Okay, awesome. So today's talk of the week is BE. Sorry, whatever he said. Bansali stock of the week. Okay. So I want someone, any volunteer, anyone, don't have to feel shy. This will also improve your skills of talking to a lot of people. And there is no such thing as good or bad research. There's no such thing as good or bad company. We will do it together and we will learn. That's the only way you guys will learn. Okay. If you're shy and you're like, oh my god, if I say something, will people laugh? You will never become successful. You need to get out there, take mistakes, do mistakes, and this is the best place to do it, because if anyone does anything wrong to you guys when you're learning, I will belt them myself personally. Okay. No, we're not talking about. See, Prem is already happy. He's like, her week multi-bagger. Did I say we're going to discuss multi-baggers? I said we will just take a stock and talk about the stock. It does not have to be a multi-bagger. Prem, बहुत excite हो जाता है तू बहुत जल्दी. Why you do this, Prem? It's not multi-bagger. I'll just talk about some penny stock tomorrow. What you'll sit and put all your life savings into it and sit down. What, Prem? Bye. Su courage. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. Something I think every Friday we can do stock of the week. Over the week, we'll decide a particular stock, right? Over the week, because anyway, we'll keep checking the news, so we'll keep coming through so many stocks. And then we'll take one stock listed company from that week and say, Chalo, let's let the community, and I'm not going to do this, right? The community will come. There will be someone from the community who will come and talk about this, not me. So, mere pe mat dalo ki Shashank, you have to only do. Like, don't give me more work, right? I will come, I will moderate it, but I want someone from the community to learn. Is that cool? Make sense? Okay, awesome. Thank you, Rishabh. We will get to the bottom of this, my friend, tomorrow.
Yeah,
Just
thanks,
have
man.
faith in the
I just
community.
want to know what was I missing out on the
Correct. We will
research.
come to know tomorrow. I will also read up a little bit about it. Bansali, no? Bansali
Cool, cool,
engineering.
cool. Yeah, yeah, right, right. Bansari, Bansari.
All करना पड़ेगा ये बंसाली को. चलो, we'll figure it out.
Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, man. That, see, guys, you all often forget that this community, this is a community. This is not some thing where I come and talk. Okay, please don't think about it that way. This is a community, and you should come and learn in this community. That's how the community. That's how communities are built, and that's how communities are grown. Right? If I have to just come and talk, it is the most boring thing I can do. And if I do that, also none of y'all will learn anything, dude. So can we all do it together? Yes. Awesome. Next question. Thank you, Rishabh.
Hi, Shashank.
Hi, Davneet.
My question is regarding this share called Alok Industries.
Oh
So,
my God. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Run, 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 run away, run away. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me.
I put aside some amount in it way back. I mean, I doubled my amount and I pulled out my initial capital, and then the remaining amount that is invested is just the profit. So today I saw that this share rallied 19%. It's on upper circuit today. So I was
Okay.
thinking of booking a loss because I've been in a loss, but itna
What
loss
was the
nahi hai.
average price of buying?
Sorry.
What did you buy it at?
Um, Prince Pipes. I was looking to invest in Prince Pipes.
No, no, no. What did you buy Alok Industry at?
Okay, I bought it. My average is 28.
And now it is at 24.
Yeah.
But why did it go up today? Do you know why it went up? Because it's doing this a lot, right? It goes up.
Shashank, you're on mute. Hello.
Yeah, sorry guys. I got a call from. Sorry, sorry. Go ahead, Davneet. So what I was saying is, it keeps going up and down, dude. This stock, Alok Industries, it goes up 19%, then comes down 5%, goes up 10%, comes down again. You know that, right? Keeps going up and down a little bit.
Yeah, but
Uh,
last month something happened in the share. I mean, Ambani he invested more amount and increased his promoter holding to 60% now. So he's the
okay.
sole promoter now, and he increased his stake by 15%. So that
When did
was
he
the
do this?
last month.
Last month. So why did it rally today?
I have no idea. The rally was due because it was consolidating from a long time, and then when this
Agreed.
news came,
I will
nothing
say that
happened.
if you made your profit and then I see that you have two options. One, you wait, but you just keep missing out on the you keep missing out on the good stocks. That's what I feel. Like you might miss out on something that can be much better for you. than this. Like the train concept I keep talking about.
Yeah, yeah.
So you'll miss
I
out on
just
some.
wanted to know. I just wanted to know if there's something in this talk that mean can it be the next Subex?
No, 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 definitely not. Because if you looked at Alok Industries market cap, have you seen the market cap?
No, no, I haven't seen that.
You know what is Subex's market cap?
No, I don't know that either.
Okay, so Subex's market cap is 3,000. We found Subex when it was 10 times lower than that, right? Around 600 crore market cap is when we had found Subex, when it was at 3 rupees. And now it is at 3,000, okay? The
Okay.
market cap of Alok Industries is 12,000 crores. It's already a big mid cap. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm not saying it can't go up, but if you're telling me, is it going to be the next, if it's going to be the next Subex, maybe not. So I'm investing in two companies which I feel can become the next Subex. By the way, should I tell you guys what it is? I'm doing research. It's not confirmed yet. You want to know what it is? Yes,
Yes,
please.
definitely.
Please, please, please. It's not confirmed. I'm doing my research still. I found two small cap companies at 300 crore market cap and 600 crore market cap. Crazy, right? Again, nothing's confirmed whether it's good or bad, but let's see. The two companies are called, one is called RACL Gear Tech. Have you heard of RACL Gear Tech? Anyone?
No idea.
Yep. So one is called RACL Gear Tech, and the other one is actually called Explio Solutions. Explio Solutions. Right? Explio Solutions is a tech company, and it seems very attractive. So that is why I'm trying to invest in that. Right? I've just put it today. Both companies look quite good, but let's see. Right? Again,
Okay.
all this value picker stories for all the people who want to know where I got these stocks and where I did research. I also bought a little bit of Pix transmissions today, but I don't know whether it's good or bad. I mean, I did my research. It seems good. It seems like it has a future. But again, let's see. But I'm more bullish on Explio. I'm definitely a little bullish on, and it is a 600 crore market cap. The remaining two, let's see whether it pays out good dividends or not in the future, right? Not dividends, but good results in the future or not. So that is what I'm hoping for. Hoping for, fingers crossed. Yeah. So Alok Industries, see, you have two options. You can either wait. If Ambani is a part of it, then eventually, somewhere down the line, he will do well by it,
Yeah.
right?
Uh,
Somewhere
I
down the line.
just, yeah, I had some faith because he increased his promoter holding. So that's why I was thinking of keeping it for more time now instead of just booking loss right
No,
now
keep
because
it. See,
it's
there's nothing
19.
wrong in keeping it, right? It's not, you will not lose money. If you're asking me, will it become zero? Chances not that much, right? Because Ambani is behind it. But if you look at it, for the last few months, it's not been moving at all, right? And I
Yeah.
bought it. See, even I was a very heavy investor in Alok Industries, correct? I don't know whether you know that.
Where did
I
you? When
this
did you buy?
So my this year's entire net worth jump was only because of Alok. I bought it immediately after the relisting at 3 rupees or 6 rupees. 7 rupees is when I bought it at. And it went up to 58 rupees. Every day upper circuit time was going on. I didn't sell it at 58 because I thought it'll reach 100 and I'll become crorepati. Okay, stupid fucking logic. It went to 58, and after that I could not even sell it. Fuck that. I couldn't
Yeah,
even
it
sell
was
it.
on lower circuit every day. I sold it when it started going down. So
Yeah,
initial
I
days,
didn't
mein,
sell it when it went down. So when I ended up actually selling it, I actually
when
ended up selling it when it hit what 30, right? That's when I could actually sell it. When it hit 30 is when I could sell it, which was so sad because it was at 58 and I couldn't sell it. When I hit 30, I sold it because I thought if it keeps going up, see, when something's going up, I don't like touching it, right? Every day it's going up, you touch karo. But then
yeah,
suddenly it went down and then I couldn't touch it even if I wanted to. So it's quite sad.
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
So that is the thing.
Thank you.
I did the same mistake in DHFL also. So okay, thank you, Davneet. Shubham Das.
Hey, hi Shashank.
Hi man, tell me.
Yeah, so can I ask a question regarding the crypto? Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why not?
Because we are discussing stock. Yeah.
Yeah, why
So,
not?
my question is regarding the Ethereum 2.0 is going to be the another coin, or it's just going to continue with the same coin. So I was planning to buy Ethereum right now
No,
in
I
the
don't.
next, but
I
I
don't
was
think it should be. I see. I'm not done full research on 2.0. I'm gonna do a video very soon about Ethereum 2.0. But I honestly, I don't think it's gonna be a new coin. I hope it's not a. It's just a change of infrastructure from proof of work to proof of stake, right? So I don't think it
okay.
is going to be a new coin if you ask me. But again, I am not sure. I will not tell you exactly until I know or not.
Okay, cool. And I have one more question regarding the YouTube video you have posted earlier. So, how did you research about BAT, the coin you were sharing at the end of the video? Can you please
Because
elaborate just the points?
I do a lot of reading.
Yeah.
I do a lot of reading, keep waiting. So I eventually go through all the top 100 coins. I don't look at anything that's not in the top 100. In the top 100, I do it. That's what I do.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, man. Thanks. That was
Yeah.
the question.
Thank you, Shubham
Yeah.
Dos.
Cool. Yeah.
Chalo. Awesome, guys. I hope that helped. I hope you guys learned a lot. Yeah. Did you guys learn or not? Yes. Okay, cool. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we will be learning. What are we going to learn? What are we going to learn tomorrow? We're going to talk about that company, right? BEMPL, जो भी है वो बंसाली इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में. We're going to learn about that. Okay? Awesome. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Bye. हाँ BEPL करेक्ट करेक्ट. चलो ठीक है. कल मिलते हैं KBC पर. बाय. Okay? Bye.